We'll just see what I'm doing.
Can I get you a cup of tea?
Oh, that'd be lovely, thank you.
How'd you have it?
Just a splash of milk, no sugar, thank you. So let's see what's wrong with this. The spring's just come off. There we go.
How's that for colour? Is that alright?
Oh, lovely, perfect, thank you.
Do you think it's fixable or?
I'm just going to see what happens. I mean, there is one spring in the handle which sounds a little bit crunchy, but this spring seems to have jumped out of position. So I'm just seeing if I can get this back in.
It would be great to fix it, only just trying to get all the keys cut for all the different people.
All the different people, yeah.
There is a key safe, but not everyone has the code.
Right, what one have you got? I'd advise upgrading that key safe. I'd advise upgrading this key safe.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're not very secure.
How do we go about doing that?
Basically, I mean, you can order them from Amazon. They're about £68. Okay. But a lot of people buy these because they're like 20 quid.
We've had it
but
about
this, I mean, the security in these is in people don't see them. But against physical attack, you can get in that probably in about 10 seconds. Against physical attack, somebody had a screwdriver and a hammer. It's open.
Okay.
Very quickly.
Do you guys?
I can, yeah. I mean, I always say to people, because to be honest with you, Amazon's cheaper than what I can buy them at. So if you order it from Amazon, I'm quite happy to come and fit it for you. That's not a problem at all.
Oh, that would be nice. That's my thing. I don't mind buying it, but it's just me trying to look after sort of my dad, and I'm not very good at attaching things to walls.
Yeah, it's not a problem at all.
So if I buy one, what am I?
Basically, if you it's Supra 500 or 5000, yeah. Basically, it's secure by design.
Okay.
So that's the key thing. What you're looking for. As long as it's secure by design, you know it's secure.
That is very old.
Yeah.
Mum bought that. She died 8 years ago, so.
But a lot of people buy these ones because they're so cheap. That seems to be working a dream.
Supra C500, it must have known.
Yeah. See, the
Supra
phone.
C500 Pro key safe.
The phone is listening.
Isn't that scary?
Yeah.
Sorry,
As long as it says secure by design.
The last thing you need is me showing you that while
Yeah.
you're trying to. Is that what we're looking at?
Yeah.
One of
Yeah.
those?
69. Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, you can get it from Amazon or wherever, but they're just so cheap for you to buy them.
Okay.
And then yeah, I can come along, whip this one out, and replace it. Because more against physical attack. I mean, all of them, if you've got skills, you can decode them.
Yeah.
And those ones probably easier than the other ones, but against physical attack with somebody with a hammer and a screwdriver. Yeah, I went to a site once where they smashed them all open. They just bang, bang, bang.
Dad's on his own other than carers.
Yeah. Well, these ones have been tested against the hammer and screwdriver, so you know they're really solid.
Do you need me here to fix it? In that, could I ring you and say, right, I've left it behind the bin?
Yeah. And give me the code for this one. I can just swap it out and put the key in it. Yeah, then I can just give you my bank details.
My new best friend.
I always try and make life easier for people.
Well, I saw you had 5-star reviews. I can kind of see why.
Yeah, well, it's...
Okay.
So, look at that.
So
Perfect.
I'll order it. I'll give you a call.
Yeah, it just makes it more...
And then I can bring it up here and just leave it. Well, you can do the key code. You can let yourself in. I'll leave it on the breakfast bar. You're an Locksmith, you don't need me.
True. Very true. Alright. That's not working. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Time for tea.